How to find penny items at Dollar General. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can find penny items at Dollar General, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can find penny items both at the digital store as well as the physical store, but for today's video we're going to do it from the Dollar General app, which is the digital store, of course. Now in order to do this, all we have to do is simply go ahead and then make sure to launch the digital store application, which is Dollar General. You must know that you can actually find Dollar General penny items anywhere within the store application, as you would be able to find them. You can have the best luck finding them mixed in the clearance sections, by the register, and end caps, as you can see here as well. So you should also be able to actually shop them by category depending upon what kind of product you want. You should be able to find all those penny items based on your categories and so on. So let's say I want something for my toys or anything as such, I can select toys and then I'll be able to find those items over here as well. And this way you'll be able to find penny items at your Dollar General app. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.